Aquage Silken and Oil treatment easily transforms curly, wavy, unruly, or dry damaged hair that is depleted of moisture into silky smooth, frizz-free, ultra-shiny hair without weight. Here's how to achieve perfect results. Apply 2 pumps of Silken and Oil treatment into the palm of your hand. Each meter dose delivers 1 milliliter of product. Be sure to emulsify well in your hands before applying to the hair to avoid oversaturating any one section. To dry the hair most effectively, we recommend working on individual sections using our Aquage First Cut Natural Boar Bristle round brush. When the goal is to smooth the surface of the hair, we recommend placing the brush on top of your section and securing the ends around the brush. It's critical that you avoid overbrushing the hair while it's wet. Instead, we recommend using the brush only to secure the ends and dry